If you're serious about international growth, it's not enough to translate text. You have to localize your visuals. In this lesson, we'll break down how to adapt your app's creative assets, screenshots, preview videos, and even icons for different countries, cultures, and expectations. This is visual localization, and it's a growth unlock for global ASO. Why visual localization matters. The way people interpret visuals varies dramatically by region. Color preferences, design expectations, even how much text should appear in a screenshot, all of it can shift based on cultural norms. Visual localization increases trust, taps into local emotion, and makes users feel like the app was built for them, not just translated. Step 1. Prioritize high-impact markets. Use your analytics and ASO tools to identify which non-English markets already show interest in your app. Then prioritize the top 3 to 5 countries based on traffic, install potential, and monetization strength. Examples. Brazil, fast-growing, loves bold color and expressive visuals. Germany, trust-driven, prefers clean, structured layouts. Step 2. Adapt language and visuals. Yes, your screenshots should be translated, but go beyond word-for-word swaps. Adapt phrasing to match local idioms, tones, and what's emotionally resonant. For instance, crush your goals in the US might become achieve your objectives in a formal European market, or something more casual and motivational in Latin America. Always review with native speakers, not just translators. Step 3. Tailor visual styles. This is where design meets cultural psychology. In East Asian markets like Japan, Korea, and China, information density is expected. UI can be smaller with more detail, more frames, more trust. In Western Europe, clean, minimal designs often win. Strong brand visuals and benefit-first layouts work well. In India or Southeast Asia, bright colors, dynamic UI, and strong emotional appeal drive clicks. Adding localized celebration moments, festivals, local holidays can boost installs seasonally. Match your visual tone to user expectations in each region. Step 4. Localize icons and colors if strategic. In some markets, red symbolizes luck. In others, it can signal danger. Green means go in most Western countries, but in some places it's not associated with positivity at all. Even icon shapes and imagery can be adapted. For example, showing a calendar might work universally, but if it displays US-style dates, it can feel unfamiliar elsewhere. Step 5. Use local testimonials, logos, and cues. If you have media features or endorsements in a local market, show them in your screenshots. A local logo builds instant credibility. Same with currencies, time formats, and culturally familiar symbols. Anything that says this app understands you. Final thought. Visual localization isn't just a design tweak, it's strategic empathy. It's the difference between being a global app that shows up everywhere and a global app that connects everywhere. In the next lesson, we'll shift into ASO analytics, how to measure, track, and refine everything you've learned so far. But first, revisit your top markets. Are your visuals truly local or just translated?